12 बजे बाबूराव ने भगवान से रिक्वेस्ट करी कि वो उनको उठा दे रे बाबा, उठा ले। मेरी जान से
Of course.
Stan the fish, I am Stan the fish, and this is my Stan the fish voice.
आगे देखिए.
किसी मेरी आवाज ही पहचान।
Hello and welcome to the debut episode of 50 vs Celebrity. Today we are going 50 versus Vijay Vikram Singh, the man with the golden voice. Hi Vijay, how are you doing?
Hello, Namaskar. My name is Vijay Vikram Singh and I am a voiceover professional and an actor. You would have seen me in Family Man Season 1 and you would have most definitely heard me somewhere or the other on your television set. Especially on one of the shows where I keep telling people, दोपहर 12 बजे आगे देखिए. Does it ring a bell? याद आया?
It absolutely does.
चलिए, let's do this rapid fire.
Yes, let's get right to it. Vijay जी, आपके नाम में इतना दम है, आपकी आवाज में तो क्या ही होगा.
अब आप अंदाजा लगा लीजिए, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, दम तो है ही, इसी की रोजी रोटी खा रहा हूँ. I am earning my bread and butter with this voice. दम तो है.
Amazing. So the first question that I have for you, what were you doing right now?
अभी मैं दूध लेकर आया नीचे से.
Okay, what's it like for Vijay Vikram to be cooped up in his house during the lockdown?
It's fantastic getting to spend time with kids and family, washing utensils, cleaning the house. इसको edit कर देना.
Have you tried the Dalgona coffee yet?
No, except the pictures I haven't.
What is the most bizarre Instagram trend that you come across these days? And have you tried any of those?
I have never tried any of the trends. I find the Dalgona coffee itself very bizarre.
Yeah.
Why would it become a trend?
A little bizarre.
Why
That's
should a
right.
coffee
That's
become a
right.
trend?
How many languages can you talk in?
Hindi, Angrezi, Urdu, Bhojpuri, and a little bit of Bengali.
What's your dream destination?
Dream destination might it has to be Australia.
Or one of the craziest adventures you have ever had?
Oh, my wife got me tied on that glider or something.
Paragliding.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think she didn't expect me to come back, but I did come back. That was crazy, and I was swearing all the time. I was just abusing left, right, and center. Thankfully, we did that in Thailand, so nobody understood really what I was saying.
What's your favorite reality show?
My favorite reality show has to be Big Boss.
Big Boss. That's right. You're a voiceover artist, an RJ, an actor, and a motivational speaker. Are there more hidden talents that we're unaware of?
I just realized that I'm very good at doing the dishes and cleaning the house. This talent I discovered in the last 30 days since the lockdown was announced.
You have kids. I'm sure you have watched a lot of Disney movies. Who's your favorite Disney princess and your kids, of course?
I have two kids, and my daughter Gauri's favorite Disney princess is Frozen.
What is the first thing you do when you get up in the morning?
I drink some water and then head to the washroom.
Whiskey or rum?
I'm high on life.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool are you?
10.5.
Do you watch TikTok videos?
If it comes on the timeline on Facebook or Instagram,
Yeah. What store do you shop at the most?
Amazon.
What compliment do people give you the most?
Very obviously, you have a great voice, you have a lovely voice.
If you're a wicked tyrant, what country would you rule?
Oh, wicked. I don't know if I can be wicked, but I would love to rule Australia. It's a beautiful country.
What song is stuck in your mind right now?
देखा ना हाय रे सोचा ना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान तरररररर.
One of the most bizarre reasons you have ever used your voice for?
Never, nothing bizarre. I have sold umpteen products. Those products can be bizarre.
This is an interesting one. Ever been pulled up by traffic police?
A lot of the times. But most interesting thing was when traffic police guys, pulled me up and I showed them my Big Boss card, and then they asked me to speak in that voice, and I did
Ever Googled yourself?
a lot.
What was it like?
Every time I do that, it's fantastic. It's a guilty pleasure that
Oh, that's lovely.
I derive.
Beaches or mountains?
Mountains,
What was
but not traveling on mountains. Just probably
Oh.
getting airdropped. I've recently realized when I was in Bhutan that I get a lot of motion sickness.
so? What was the most bizarre thing a fan has asked you to do, and did you do it?
The most bizarre thing was when a girl approached me on social media, on Facebook, asking for my number as she ran an orphanage. I gave her the number. Then she kept sending me, good morning, good evening messages. And one day she asked me to record a message for her orphanage, which I did. And then she
Okay.
started requesting me to send her good morning and good night messages also, which I had to eventually refuse.
What is the best compliment you have ever received?
It's the same. You have a great voice. I'm a big fan.
Can you recite a Babu Rao's dialogue in your Big Boss voice and tone?
दोपहर 12 बजे बाबू राव ने भगवान से रिक्वेस्ट करी कि वो उनको उठा ले रे बाबा, उठा ले।
Popcorn or cheese nachos?
Popcorn, mixed, salted and caramel.
Your favorite actress?
All time is Wahida ji,
Absolutely.
then Aishwarya Rai.
That's wonderful.
And these days, I like Alia's look.
Yeah. You are a very doting father. Any tips for others?
Absolutely not. Because every child is a different case. So handle them as per the instructions that come along.
Coffee or tea?
Both. Different times of the day, different beverage.
Night owl or early bird?
Night owl, I would say. I get up early, but I love to stay up late.
If you could buy any type of food right now, what would you buy?
चिकन।
If a movie was made of your life, what genre would it be and who would play you?
It will mostly be family drama with a lot of comedy thrown in. Who would play me? I would play myself. Why give that choice to somebody else, or why give that privilege to somebody else?
What is the strangest thing you've ever eaten?
I almost ate crocodile samosa in South Africa, but the strangest thing I ate was some insects in Thailand. An octopus.
What time is the right time to wake up in quarantine?
What time is the right time? Whenever you feel like.
Gulab jamun or jalebi?
Jalebi hands down. And not by number of pieces, but by weight.
Right.
250 gram, 500 gram. Like that.
3 all-time favorite movies.
Mera Naam Joker, Saving Private Ryan, and Katha.
बाहुबली ने कटप्पा को क्यों मारा और more like कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा?
लॉकडाउन बढ़ रहा था, वो फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया, इसने मार दिया उसको।
Okay. Your favorite IPL team?
Chennai.
Which is the funniest prank played on you or played by you?
I'm not a very pranks person.
Prank person,
Normal
yeah.
pranks, nothing very boring.
Favorite dance move?
Favorite dance is simple. The Bhagwan Dada Amitabh Bachchan dance.
All the Bharati dance.
मेरी जान मुझे खबर है.
One word you use the most?
The F word mostly, and of course, since I'm from Kanpur, a lot of Kanpuriya slang. You wouldn't want to hear.
If you could bring back one person from the dead, who would that be and why?
My grandfather. He had a great positive influence on our lives. Whatever I am in terms of the clarity of my language, my persona, a lot of credit goes to him, because he taught us till about class 7th. He was the one who taught us, actually sat us down and taught us for 2 to 3 hours every day. And during early childhood, he wouldn't allow us to play with kids outside. He would play, he would play with us himself.
One jingle that really gets stuck in your head.
Amul दूध पीता है India.
That's wonderful. What would be the title of your biography?
My biography would be मेरी आवाज ही पहचान. Very cliche, but
A travel destination that is first on your bucket list.
Australia is my dream destination, but I would want to go to Netherlands.
If you could trade lives with anyone for a day, who would it be and why?
Not interested. I'm happy.
You were part of the Family Man. How was it like?
One word, fantastic.
One food or dish you can never give up.
Chicken do pyaza.
What's your Wi-Fi password?
Why would you want to know that?
Did you have an embarrassing email ID?
I still have vvsshopping@gmail.com.
One vegetable you can't eat.
There's nothing in this that grows that I cannot eat.
Your all-time favorite songs?
Jeena yahan, marna yahan, Swan, Winner Takes It All, ABBA.
Right.
I can play that on loop. Bella Ciao. Oh, it's been a recent addition, but fantastic. I just love that.
The most creative or bizarre way you have used your voice for?
Whatever characters we play, some of them are really bizarre. So sometimes I play old man. I just recently recorded an ad where I was the voice of a chappal.
What is the funniest thing that has happened in an audition?
Funniest thing that happened in an audition. Actually, nothing funny has yet. That's my son.
Funniest? That's okay.
No, nothing. I won't say that I haven't had any such faux pas moment or funny moment in audition. They've been quite normal, like me, and boring, like me. Yeah.
What do you do to maintain your voice and your vocal cords?
I try and do some yoga and some riyaz. So the noise you're hearing in the background, that's the kind of noise I make during my riyaz.
Wonderful. Can you make a voice for animals?
Of course.
Stan the fish. I am Stan the fish. And this is my Stan the fish voice.
Do your kids mimic you?
Yes, she does. My daughter, she keeps doing that all the time, and she'll do it right now also. How do I say that, Buddy?
Agi dekhiye.
See, she keeps doing that all the time.
Thank you so much, Vijay, for joining with us today. It was a lovely session indeed, having a conversation with you.
Thank you very much, and subscribe and follow Things to Do, and also follow Vijay Vikram 77. Thank you very much.
Well, that takes us to the very end of our lovely evening with Vijay Vikram Singh, the man with the golden voice. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment in the sections below, and also share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Things to Do.